Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error, that is 0x80070003, while installing this update KB5064081 on your Windows 11 computer. When you receive this error, you can try to click on download and install multiple times. So just hit multiple times and try to install it again and then check. If that does not work, the next step is to start these services. So type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find App Readiness, make a double click on App Readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Now find Windows Update, scroll down at the bottom here, you can see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Again set this to automatic, apply, click on start and then click on OK. And then try to update. Still not working. The next step is to run sfc and dism command. Now for this, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app and then make sure that you run this as an administrator. Click on yes to allow, paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time, and once this scan is 100% complete, you can run the second scan. So copy this command and then you can paste it on the same window, and once the second scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5064081, and then click on search over here. And over here, if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64 base system, then this is the right one. If you have Windows 11 version 25H2 x64, then this is the right one. Now you can check which version you have. Type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. Over here you can see version 24H2 in my case, and check what kind of system you have. You can go to systems and then go to about, and over here you will see 64-bit in my case. Now, so for me it's Windows 11 version 24H2 x64 base system. Now click on download and then you can click on this update, that is KB5064081, and then once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually, then restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use option fix problems using Windows Update. So open Windows settings, go to Windows Update and then go to advanced option, go to recovery option over here, and here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is complete, now you can check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, scroll down, you will see media creation tool over here. Now click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. When you run this exe file, run it, click on yes to allow. Now you will see accept option, hit accept, and then by default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next over here and then select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save, and then let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once this is complete, click on finish and then let this close automatically, and then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file and then run the setup file, make a double click and then click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install. Make sure this is checked and then hit install, and after the installation log into the computer and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.